Let's make something easy. Today is July the 4th. So I'm going to make an artichoke dip. And these are artichoke hearts. They're just in water. They're not marinated. We're going to use that. And some Hellmann's mayonnaise. Some Parmesan. A little bit of dehydrated onion. White pepper, lemon juice. And we need a small dish to bake this in. I'm going to use a half a cup of mayonnaise. A teaspoon of lemon juice, a teaspoon of the dried onion, a fourth a teaspoon of pepper, and I want to mix that up first. Then we'll add our quartered artichoke hearts. I like them in big pieces. You can chop these up a little bit if you wish. And we'll add half a cup of Parmesan. This recipe is very easily doubled. Just get this all stirred up. So I put this in my small baking dish. I did spray it, the baking dish, with some kitchen spray. And I'm going to put this in the oven at 350. If you're baking some potatoes, this could go in there with them. Here it is out of the oven. It baked for 25 minutes. And we'll let this cool down a bit and have a taste. It baked for 25 minutes at 350. And I sprinkled it with some paprika and some chives that I chopped up. And I do like it chunky so that you get like a nice piece on cracker. You know, carrots and celery are totally, you know, that's what you really should serve it with. Oh, so good. I mean, that really nice, excuse me, that was good Parmesan, and that's what really brings it. So nice tasting. You gotta try it. Please try it. Thank you so much for watching.